Hi friends, so happy to see you all. Thank you all for your wonderful support. Those who are new to the channel, please support by subscribing this channel. Today, let's do something very easy and colorful. Let's start. So, for today we need as usual some drawing sheet and I'm using a pencil. So what we need is some watercolors and a drawing sheet and a pencil. So it's so easy to draw. It's very difficult to make any mistakes, guys. So just draw a tree. This time don't draw a very big tree with a lot of very big canopy of leaves. Just draw thin tree with a lot of branches. Draw as much branches as possible, so that will look very good with a colorful background. So try to draw as much small branches as possible. Now let's move to the coloring part. Take out a crimson lake or a dark red, whichever is available to you. Don't make it too watery. Let the color pop out a little bit. So next step I am giving red, which is a light red or scarlet red or maybe titanium red, whichever is available to you. Let the colors mix, guys. Mix it a little bit. So don't let it pop out separate. So let the color mix and don't make it too watery. Next step I am giving some yellow ochre or cadmium yellow, whichever is a darker yellow available to you. So just gives a blend of colors from dark to light. So as a next step I am giving some lemon yellow, which is the lightest yellow available. So make it very light as possible. So now with the thin brush you can draw the tree with the black color. So I am using a size 5 brush because it has a very good tip. So maybe if you want you can use a thinner brush too. So whichever is easy, draw the branches very thin. Don't make it very big. So we don't want to hide out our very beautiful sky which we drawn now. So be careful. So if you want to use a thinner brush, but don't make the tree big. Make it as slender as possible with a lot of branches. So draw it as slowly as possible. Guys, don't try to make any mistake. We can't erase it at this point. So once I draw the tree, just fill out the ground also with black. So that's a very easy step. So in this case we are trying to give a lot of ground with the black. So you can use this good picture as a gift or a gift card. You can write your messages in the black area. So you'll have a lot of area left here. So let it be a friendship gift or a gift for the couples or anniversary gift. So whichever be the case, so it is very colorful and you can give it as a gift. So use this opportunity to draw a wonderful gift. And next step we already know. We have practiced with the earbuds how to draw the leaves. So this time only difference is we are doing with black and also we are not filling out the whole area. So make sure of that. So leave out little areas for the sky. So give some gap between the leaves. So don't simply fill out with the black. Make the dots visible. So each dot make it separate. So let's little bit of light from the sky visible through the leaves. So draw it very slowly. Bring out each leaf. Take your time. So that gives a very good look to this picture, especially when the sky is so bright and we are drawing a dark tree here. So the tree is done, guys. Next step I'm trying to draw the sun with the dark red or crimson red. So draw it in the yellow region, lightest region as possible. I took 3 buds and tried to draw, but it didn't work out. But it gave me a good size. So using a single bud, I'm trying to make it as round as possible. So if you want, you can use a red sketch pen or brush or whichever is easy for you. So I am continuing using the bud. With that I finished the sun with the dark red. Now with the ground region, it's so easy. Take out the black, create some shrubs or leaves, or maybe you can even add a chair here or some rock or people standing or whichever. Bring out a creativity, guys. So draw some shrubs and grass and make the ground look little dynamic. So once that is done, let's draw one more thing here. I'm trying to draw a very dead branch with a very small brush, maybe size 1 or 0 here. draw a very dead branch which is going over the sun. So this step, be very careful. So if you feel you're not so confident with the brush, maybe you can use a sketch pen or a black pen or a very dark pencil. And then I'm drawing two lovebirds which is almost inside the sun. So this step, make sure you're very confident and draw it very accurately. Don't try to make mistake at this step. So next time I'm drawing some birds in the sky, so that always brings out the sky with a very good dynamic effect. So let me remove the sellotape here. I don't have a masking tape this time, but it's coming out very good. So guys, our painting is done. See how easy it is, very easy, very simple, without much difficulties, without much details. So we have finished it so quickly and so easily, but see the effect. It's very beautiful. You can give it as a gift to anyone. So try it out. Once you've done this, you can plan the next variations. Instead of tree, you can add house also. You can do some lot of scenery, everything. So everybody can do, guys. You can do along with your kids. So do it, guys, and let's see in the next video with some more good paintings. So see you all. So those who are new, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you, guys. Bye.